The term tune-up might be old, but the need for great maintenance is forever. To define what a comprehensive service looks like in 2026, we didn't guess. We went straight to the source. We asked a mechanic with 40 years of experience for his non-negotiable best practices and tips for longevity. We're defining the modern refresh protocol, the core set of maintenance items that actually restore lost power, ensure longevity, and maintain your vehicle in its absolute best operating condition. This is the checklist you need to bring to the shop so you know exactly what you're paying for. Let's dive into the protocol and the ultimate rule for longevity. Number 1. The ignition system. Spark plugs and coils. A proper modern service includes spark plugs for sure. Even platinum and iridium plugs lose their efficiency over time, causing misfires and rough idle due to increased resistance at the electrode gap. We also check the ignition coils. Corrosion near the terminal can cause voltage drop, resulting in a weak spark. Replacing a suspect coil during the service saves you diagnostic time and labor costs later. This restores clean, reliable spark, ensuring maximum ignition efficiency. Number 2. The engine air filter mandate. Optimal airflow is critical. The engine air filter must be checked and replaced to ensure your engine isn't choking for breath. A clogged filter forces the engine to pull air harder, leading to an overly rich air-fuel ratio and incomplete combustion. Checking the filter is the simplest way to restore horsepower and fuel economy. A clean, balanced air-fuel ratio is essential for emissions control and overall engine health. Number 3. The cabin air filter mandate. This is not about the engine, it's about your health. The cabin filter traps pollen, dust, and microscopic road grime before it reaches your lungs. Over time, a dirty filter can also strain the blower motor, leading to premature failure. Swapping the filter ensures a smooth-running blower motor and clean, healthy air inside your vehicle. For severe allergies, consider a charcoal-infused filter for better odor and pollutant absorption. Number 4. Fuel filter awareness. Know your tank. You must know your fuel system's Achilles heel. Contamination from older gas stations or debris can overwhelm the filter. The filter is the last line of defense for the injectors. If your vehicle has a serviceable filter, replacing it guarantees your injectors get clean fuel, protecting them from microdamage that causes clogging and poor spray patterns. This maintains fuel delivery precision. Number 5. Obeying the oil change timeline. The foundation of longevity. If you want your car to last, you must adhere to the timeline for your engine oil. Don't skip it. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. The manufacturer's schedule is the bare minimum for engine survival. Oil contamination from combustion byproducts and heat breakdown accelerates piston ring and bearing wear. Following the service schedule precisely is the first step toward reaching 200,000 miles or more. First, obey your oil change timeline. Number 6. The nuances of the upsell, scheduling maintenance. While service add-ons are often seen as an upsell, smart scheduling turns them into cost savings. If a service like transmission fluid replacement is due per the manufacturer's miles, combining it with a routine oil change saves you the cost of extra labor appointments. Review your schedule and combine services when they are due to maximize your labor dollars. The mechanic's philosophy is clear. It's always good to do your maintenance more frequent than not, so there's no breakdown issues. Number 7. Fuel system cleaning. The 30,000-mile habit. Want to proactively restore lost mileage? You can. Modern fuel injectors, especially in gasoline direct injection (GDI) engines, are susceptible to deposit buildup that distorts the fuel spray pattern. Implementing this preventative measure maintains maximum efficiency and smooth, reliable acceleration. The recommendation: as long as you find a quality fuel injection cleaner that does not contain alcohol, use it every 30,000 miles or so. Number 8. The fuel station dipstick check, the ultimate rule. If you know your car likes to burn oil, you must adopt this ultimate rule. Modern engines are designed to burn some oil during normal operation. If the level drops below the add mark, oil starvation occurs and internal friction increases exponentially. Checking your dipstick prevents catastrophic engine seizure. Running just 1 quart low can critically reduce lubrication in the top end, cams, and valves. Pro tip: if you do have the car that burns oil, every time you stop at the gas station, pop the hood and check your dipstick. Number 9. The E85 trap. Fuel awareness. Even if your vehicle can run cheaper gas, the temptation can lead to major damage. The low cost is often due to E85 up to 85% ethanol. If your car is not a flex fuel vehicle, the high alcohol content is hygroscopic, attracts water, which accelerates corrosion and degradation of rubber fuel lines, pumps, and seals over time. Action: stick to the manufacturer's recommended fuel grade and avoid the cheap temptation of E85 if your car isn't rated for it. Number 10. The golden rule. Obey the light. The final, most crucial rule. Don't ignore your check engine light when it's on. It's time to go to the shop. That light is your car's computer detecting an issue that, if left alone, will cascade into a larger, more expensive problem. The mechanic's reasoning is that more frequent checks prevent catastrophic breakdown issues. Getting it scanned immediately is the first step towards savings and longevity. A small issue like a faulty oxygen sensor can cause failure of the catalytic converter, a $2,000 plus repair. By adopting the modern refresh protocol and following these simple rules of vigilance, you move from being a victim of surprise repairs to an empowered, savvy car owner. You know the checklist, you know the scams, and you know the timing. Go save yourself some money. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more great tips from Make Car Go. Drive safe and take care of your car like it's a part of the family.